Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website using just AI and a few simple prompts. No coding, programming or drag and drop skill required. We'll be using free version of ChatGPT to make this happen. So let's get started without wasting any more time. But before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe and comment for motivating us. Alright, let's jump into ChatGPT. The first step is understanding what kind of website you want to create. Most websites are typically built with three main sections: the header, the body, and the footer. We'll craft our instructions section by section, specifying exactly what we need in each part. So let's begin. So you need to give a prompt like I give it here. You can pause the screen and get the prompt, or also you can just see what I'm doing here. So I type I need to create a custom web page. It will contain three parts: a header section, a body section, and a footer section. In the header section, add a custom logo. In the left corner, add home, services, about, and upcoming button in the middle of the right side. Add a button named Contact. Link the button as necessary. Also add beautiful eye-catchy CSS and JavaScript. So what does that mean? You can see here in this screenshot a contact button there. So if any user click on that contact, they will reach your WhatsApp. Anyway, so let's get the second part. In the body section, there are three main parts. In the first part, create a brief description of a web designing company. So instead of web designing company, you can give whatever you like. Add a picture on the right side and add the contact button. In the second part, create some content for a title like "What can you achieve with your company website?" Use an image on the left side of this part and text on the right side. In the third part, use a psychological catchphrase to invite new customers to contact them to create a website for themselves or for free consultations. Link these two buttons so that when someone clicks them, it will automatically open WhatsApp with desired contact information you give there. Use visually appealing effects, colors, and fonts. Finally, in the footer section, create four categories for services: company, global, and upcoming section. Under the service section, add links to 5 subpages. Name them custom link 1 to custom link 5. Under the company section, add links to services, locations, and about pages. In the global section, add links for the privacy policy page and terms of service page. Under upcoming, add a link for your company too. Your same company, your company too. At the bottom of all this, add the page copyright mark. You can give the year here for your company. Then already reserves. Use beautiful and stunning CSS and JavaScript. Use internal CSS and JavaScript. Also use online libraries if necessary. Use gradient colored themes mixed with blue, violet, and red. So instead of this, you can give here whatever color you like. And make sure this page is mobile responsive. So if you just make your website open in mobile or in any tablet, it will not break. Okay, now when you complete your prompt, just hit enter and then ChatGPT will give you code for the desired pages. Now, for the first page, it will give us the code for the home page. Now copy that code, and if you are making it in your local server, so just create a folder for your domain name, and then in that folder you need to create a text document, a notepad, and then you need to paste that code for the first page and then save it as HTML. You can write the name as index.html as well, what we did. If you want to correct anything in this page, you can just open that page in any software. So here I am using the Visual Studio software, where I can adjust the links and the image source as well. If you want to create a similar pages for services and about an upcoming, so you need to give another prompt here. So let's check this out, what prompt we should give it at here. So I write here, now I need you to build a page for services where I can show them custom tree packages, and also I want to create about an upcoming page. So what ChatGPT will do, it will give you 3 pages with the codes in the similar structure. So you can just copy and paste them in Notepad and save it as HTML in the same folder, and that's it. You will have your website done. Now you can upload those files in any server and your website is done. So this way you can create your website with just AI without any coding. Okay, hope you like this, and make sure to comment, like, and if you want anything, you can just comment below. Have a great day. Thank you.